Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to fix it, your battery drain. So first you need to go to your settings. You're gonna scroll down. You need to type battery. So you're gonna type battery. Make sure your low power mode is on. Then we're gonna scroll down. Here is the apps which consume your battery. So Instagram consume 28%, Chrome 14%. So all these apps consume the percentage battery on my phone. This is an option which you can see and close all this app. Second, you need to go to display and brightness. Make sure raising to wake is off because that one kill your battery. Other option is you need to go to accessibility. Then you go to display and text size. You need to make sure auto bright is on. So this is the three options, guys, for fixing your battery drain. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye bye.